Hello, welcome to Spy Money. I just showed you the um, hello, welcome to Spy Money. I run the retirement bot untouched, let it just do its thing. Again, we hit our daily goal, $500. Did a little bit of slippage there, got a little bit more. Actually covered the commission, so we had about, I guess, $505 net is about what it would be, and it did pretty good. We had the first trade right here. We got our $300 there. We got our $200 there, and it could have kept on going. We had a lot more trades in here that it could have taken, and it did very well. The bot has done very well over the course of since November of last year, and it's done very well. So we'll go back into the stats and look down here at this. Of course, I don't have today's stats in it, and actually, I tell you what, I can add it real fast. We had let's look see how many minutes we had on that. So this one right here, 4 minutes, and it was done. So today was 4 minutes, and I'll pause this and come right back. So we'll go ahead and refresh this. I just added it, so if I refresh it, we should be at 47.1 is what we should be. There we go. We've added it. Look here. May, April, and June have been stellar trading for this. February, we had a little bit issues right in here. I was actually kind of concerned. I thought, well, maybe it's not going to work anymore, but no, February was just a bad month. And but it's a consistency of it. We had a few little bad things here. We had a few little bad ones in April. But for the most part, April, it did okay. May had several break-ins, break-even days in there. And break-even could have been a holiday. So we had some holidays in here as well. So if there's no trading on that day, then it's a break-even. And then we've had nothing but just really good success here. We are at $47,100 since November 3rd of 2025. That's just incredible. And for June, we're at $3,200 so far. And if we go back up here, and let me make it a little bit bigger. So if we go last month, was $6,200 last month. And then in April, we were at $4,500. And then in March, we were at $4,300. Where are you going to make that kind of money? The lease is very, very minimal for what you get here. And this is just showing one contract. This is if your account size will allow 2 contracts or 3 or 4 or 10. 10 contracts, what would that be? 10 contracts, you're almost $500,000 just off of a $10,000 trade. This is pretty incredible. A lot of people have asked me, if you can make a bot that you can make it untouched, the same settings, the same time frame, and everything exactly the same, and they would want to do it. Well, here you go. This is it. So let me show you, like in the settings of this. Let me show you a few things. This is our settings that we can go. We can add in whatever we want to do. But get this, your session P&L. I have the bot set for $500 and $900. You're either going to lose $900 or make $500. Now, why we have $900 is because we have found sometimes you'll have two bad trades and then it will pull itself out. And that's $600. So we make it $900. But as you can see, it pulls itself out. And then we have a time filter up here as well. So the time filter, you can set this to kick on at whatever time you want. We run it at 9:40 to 11 Eastern time every day. The bot will do this automatically. So if you say you can watch it from your phone or something like that, maybe you got a VPS, and you want to just turn this on and then be able to watch it from your phone. Because I don't advise running a bot unattended. I just don't do it. I think you need to be there to manage it and to make sure things are right. But we have people that run it unattended. I don't condone that, but we do have people that do it. So you set the bot, and once you sign up and you load the bot already has the pre-made settings that we use for the bot. So there's nothing to do, and I just recently changed that to where you can just load the bot, put in your account, your instrument, and that's it. That's all you got to do. So let's get you started today. How you get started, you go to lease program under spymoneyllc.com. Once you go there, you'll click on, scroll down. You can read through all this. I'm not going to read it and bore you. Right here, it is a interview process. I want to make sure that you understand what you're getting into and so forth. Fill this out. Agree to these terms right here. Click submit. It'll come to me. I'll send you a message to get in touch with you in order to talk to you. Make sure that you understand what you're getting into before you pay money. We only allow so many people in. I don't let everyone in. Some people I just don't feel can do this, and just because you want to trade don't mean you can be a trader. And when I talk to people, I can usually kind of tell if they're going to have trouble or not. And the last thing I want anybody to do is to pay money and have struggling with doing things. You need to know how to use a computer. You need to if you've used a trading platform before, Quantower especially, that's what we use. Then you're probably going to be okay. If you use a different name brand platform, moving over to the Quantower platform is actually not that hard. I have a video that goes over everything to show you exactly how to move around the chart, how to load things and all that. So the learning curve is taken way down. I had to learn it on my own. I didn't have anybody to show me. And now I know the platform very well. We use a Spy Money platform. The Spy Money platform is a white label of Quantower. Now, the reason we use the Spy Money platform is because we have some extra things added to it. So this will not work on the standard Quantower platform. You have to use ours. And now if you have a lifetime lease or anything, we can put that over onto it. It's no issue. Get you all set up and get you going. It works really well, but do this right here. That'll help you. As far as the setup, there's things that you need to have in place, and these are all the partners that we have went with. When you click this right here to the Spy Money platform, that'll take you back over to the lease that we just left. And we have two different brokerages we use. So if you're going to use live money, these two brokerages right here, some people can't get accepted into AMP futures and they have to go to Optimus. They're very picky about it. I suggest that you, even if you get accepted to AMP, go ahead and do Optimus too. Do both of them. If you have an issue with AMP, you'll have a brokerage already ready to go, and just put, say $100 or something in here just to hold it and keep it open, and then put all your other money in here. Or you can put in both of them and trade both of them at the same time. You can do that as well. Someone has asked me before, what if I have a wife or a husband that has a different account? Well, you can load all of the accounts up into our platform, and you can trade yours, your wife's, your brother's, whatever you want to do, all at the same time. Now, it will only work on one computer, but your logins, you can have as many logins as you want. So if you've got several people that you have an agreement with that you can trade for and such, then you can trade all of those accounts at the exact same time on the exact same bot. So that's something that a lot of people have asked me. If you don't have the cash, there's prop accounts. Now these prop accounts actually can be good, but they do have rules and different things to read through this. The coupon code you want to use is Spy Money. You will get the best deal that is available for these. So I suggest, if it was me, I would do at least a $100,000 account. The $50,000 account will work, but if you've got 2-3 bad days in a row, a $50,000 account will not hold it unless you have the available money in it. So I suggest that you just go ahead and do like 100. It'll take you a little bit longer to pass, but I think it'll be better for you. Here's a little bit information about each one of them. I know like Apex, you can have 20 accounts. Bulenox is, I think, 10 accounts. I think it's what it is. And it's 11 accounts. And Daytraders is now 20 accounts. Tradeify has 5 accounts. You can trade all of these at the same time. So if you have 20 there, 11 here, 15 here, and 5 there, you can still trade them all at the same time. Make sure that you have rhythmic data. You definitely want rhythmic data. Tradeify will not work on the Quantar platform. If you have Tradeify, sign up for Tradecopia here. You can get 30% off using the Spy Money coupon code, and that will help you. It's a third party and it's a desktop version, and you can load all of your other trading accounts in there, or user logins that are Tradeify, so you can have at least one rhythmic account on the Spy Money platform, and then whatever it does will trade copy over to your Tradeify. The best thing to do is just go ahead and do all rhythmic. If you don't have any, just do all rhythmic, and that's the best thing to do. If you don't have a good enough computer, or say you work and you're going to be out and about, you can put this on a VPS. VPS is like a computer in the internet world, and you can see it from your phone. The one you want to make sure you click on this and you get a 50% discount. But you want to click on VPS Performance, and you want this one. Don't do the others. This is the one you want. If you do that, then you can trade from your phone. So if you work, you're construction, or medical, whatever it is that you do, you can look at your phone from 9:40 to 11 o'clock, and you can control the bot. You can turn it on, off, all that. You can see your complete screen. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'd love to get you started. And just because we stop at $500 don't mean you can't make money. One person in our group said that he left it on and he took 3 winners. So, but you get all of these indicators and everything. I teach you how it works. It's actually pretty simple how it works, and it does a very good job. Really the big thing is the Spy Money bars and my personal levels. If you don't have those 2 things, it ain't gonna work. So you're trading my special levels, and they appear on your chart. Let me know if I can help you get started. Today would be the best day to get started. You can go ahead. Sometimes it'll take a little bit longer for some people, but most people can usually sign up one day, be running the bot the same day or the next day. Complete tutorials on everything. Let me know how I can help you. Let's get you started today, and get you running the retirement bot immediately. Have a great day, everybody.